Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal celebrated the 80th Independence Day yesterday with patriotic fervor and enthusiasm at its administrative block premises. RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma hoisted the national tricolor, followed by the singing of the national anthem and Vande Mataram. The ceremony was attended by RIMS Medical Superintendent, Deputy Director Administration, Dean Academics, principals of the Dental College and College of Nursing, heads of departments, Chief Accounts Officer, faculty members, nursing officials, staff, and students. Addressing the gathering, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma paid a tribute to the India's freedom fighters and urged the institutional community to work collectively towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, emphasizing that a developed nation begins with a healthy population. He underscored the Institute's commitment to excellence in healthcare, education, research, and public service, emphasizing patient safety, medical ethics, and human dignity. He further called for teamwork, technological innovation, preventive care, and environmental sustainability, encouraging everyone to uphold the ethos of one RIMS, one team, one mission. The celebration included an award ceremony recognizing the outstanding achievements and contributions of RIMS personnel. Following the ceremony, the director led a Tiranga Yatra from the administrative block to the main gate via Jubilee Hall to foster national pride and unity.